Hiya, it's Wendy here again from Toonpish Crafts. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Wendy and I do all kinds of resin stuff, and hopefully I can help you in anything you're doing. We'll see. To start today, we're going to do a timed experiment again on ink dropping this time, to see the difference from 5 minutes after mixing to 30 minutes after mixing, or thereabouts. I'm putting all the times on the screen so you can see exactly what's going on. I did choose dark colours, but I'm a purple girl, so I do love purple and I absolutely adore the results. They are gorgeous. I've double backed them. I've put one on top back of the other, and I've put a little charm on the keyring. These might go up on my Etsy, I'm not sure yet. I absolutely love them. They're adorable. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. I have fast forwarded everything that I thought was boring. I'm using art resin, which is super low viscosity, because I love the art resin. I do love art resin. And if you need to know the make, I'll put it in the description below, I think, because I forgot to take a picture of it, which is typical. Still learning, you know what it's like. If you've got any comments, put them down below. I'll always answer comments if I can. At the moment, I have 100% success rate in answering comments, I think. And come and find me on Instagram. It's toonpish_crafts. It would be nice to see your work on Instagram. And if you've got any inspiration from my stuff, then that's great. I'd love to see it. Anyway, here's the video. Hope you enjoy it. I'll put some stills up at the end.